The following is the screen installation explanation of the Jaguar Ftype. First, pry open the decorative panel at the top of the screen. The trim panel on the edge of the knob is also pried open. Start button trim panel to pry off. Unscrew the knob and the screws for the screen frame. You can take out the screen frame. Remove the fixing screws on the screen. Remove the screen. Unplug the wire. Start removing the main frame board. Remove the back cover. Pay attention to the cable. Remove the main board screws. The small board should also be removed. Install the removed main board on the back cover of the new main unit. Back to the main board. Just screw back the screws and install it back on the back cover. Start routing installation screen. Let's take a look at the installed effect. Hello, shall do. Hello. Open navigation.